Hi, this is Jason, your Mazda guy over at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. I'm standing next to a 2021 CX-5 Grand Touring with the premium package. What's nice about Mazda is they don't only think about horsepower. They don't only think about safety features. They don't only think about durability. They don't only think about value. They also think about the comfort of their customers. They want their CX-5 to fit you and to fit your loved ones perfectly and comfortably. What the 21 CX-5 Grand Touring has on the driver's side, you have 8-way power seats. These seats go up, down, back, forth. The backrest moves forward and backwards. The thigh rest here even lifts up to give you support in the thigh area. They also have memory seating as well, in case somebody sits in your car and jacks up your seats. What's nice too, with the CX-5, it's a mid-size SUV with an impressive 5-seating arrangement, 5 seat belts, so that you can fit all of your loved ones in there with comfort and great ease. But not only is it a 5-seater, it also has impressive cargo capabilities. When we lift the power lift gate, which is also very convenient, you'll see here that Mazda CX-5 has a 40-40-20 split on the seats, which means that allows you to carry things and haul things the way you want to haul them. Very easy and very conveniently, you can move those seats down simply by pulling the handles here. If you pull the handle, it goes all the way down. You pull this handle, it goes all the way down. And now you have a massive cargo capacity to carry whatever it is that you want to carry, whether it be luggage, wood, groceries, your pet. You can see here, you can fit some pretty big dogs back there. And Mazda customers, generally speaking, are animal lovers. So once again, this is Jason at 3520 South 108th Street. Come see me, let me be your Mazda guy, and let me help you.